starting with zero-shot and few-shot prompting. Now this first one, zero-shot prompting, is one that we've actually already covered, but maybe you just didn't know that it had a name. This is a simple prompt that includes 0 examples, meaning you're not giving it explicit information to train on. Rather, it's just using general knowledge it had already acquired through training. Like this: classify the sentiment of the following text. The model's already been trained a lot on sentiment. You don't have to provide additional examples or further instructions on what to do. Pretty simple. Then we have few-shot prompting, which, as the name implies, is a prompt with a few contextual examples to enhance the model's performance. You're effectively training it with a little bit more data to give it context and background for what you're asking it to do. For example, if we don't want the regular sentiment analysis of positive, neutral, or negative, we want superb, meh, or neutral, then we need to give it some examples of statements that would fall into those categories. So a few examples, which is few-shot prompting.